Yes, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to understand map of India. Today we will understood about the state and their capitals. And dear students, we will also understand one more map of history. So let's understand. First of all, let's start. This is Ladakh. This is Ladakh. Ladakh is a union territory. It's not a state, it is union territory and its capital is Leh. This is Jammu and Kashmir and its capital is Srinagar. And this one is Himachal Pradesh. This state is Himachal Pradesh and its capital is Shimla. And now the next one is Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Punjab, its capital is Chandigarh. And below it there is Haryana. And Haryana has also its capital Chandigarh. So these two states have their combined capital Chandigarh. And now the next one is Uttarakhand. This is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand and its capital is Dehradun. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Now this one is the largest state of our India. It is Rajasthan and its capital is Jaipur. And this one is Gujarat and its capital is Gandhinagar. Now the next one, this is UP. UP, Uttar Pradesh and its capital is Lucknow. The capital of UP is Lucknow. Now the next one, this is MP. MP, Madhya Pradesh and its capital is Bhopal. Its capital is Bhopal. Now the next one is Maharashtra. This state is Maharashtra and its capital is Mumbai. Its capital is Mumbai. And this one is Karnataka. Karnataka and capital Bengaluru. Karnataka, its capital is Bengaluru. And below it is Kerala. This is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Now this one, here is smallest state of India. It is Goa. It is Goa and its capital is Panji. Its capital is Panji. Now the next one is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu and its capital is Chennai. The next state is AP. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. And above it, it is Telangana. It is Telangana. This is the न्यू कंस्ट्रक्टेड स्टेट. एक वो स्टेट है जो न्यूली फॉर्म्ड हुआ है. एंड द कैपिटल ऑफ तेलंगाना एंड आंध्र प्रदेश इज Hyderabad. Again listen, the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh also has its capital named Hyderabad. Now the next one, Odisha. This is Odisha. Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. And this one is Chhattisgarh. This is Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Raipur. Its capital is Raipur. And this one is Jharkhand. This is Jharkhand. Its capital is Ranchi. Capital is Ranchi. And this is Bihar. The state above the Jharkhand is Bihar. And its capital is Patna. Its capital is Patna. Now see this one. This is West Bengal. This is known as West Bengal. And its capital is Kolkata. Its capital is Kolkata. And above this little state is known as Sikkim. This is known as Sikkim. Again see, this is Sikkim. And its capital is Gangtok. Its capital is Gangtok. Now let's see the eastern part. This one in a triangular shape. This state is Assam. This is Assam. And its capital is Dispur. Its capital is Dispur. And this state is Arunachal Pradesh. This state is Arunachal Pradesh. And its capital is Itanagar. Its capital is Itanagar. Now the next one. This is Nagaland. This is Nagaland. And its capital is Kohima. Capital is Kohima. And this one, Manipur. This one, Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. Its capital is Imphal. This is Tripura. This is Tripura. Its capital is Aizawl. Its capital is Aizawl. Please remind that the above state is Nagaland, capital is Kohima, and the next one is Manipur, capital is Imphal, and the lowest is Mizoram. This is not Tripura, it's Mizoram. And its capital is Aizawl. This state is known as Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. Now let's see this little state. This is Tripura. This little state is known as Tripura. Again see, This state is Tripura and its capital is Agartala. Its capital is Agartala. Now let's see one more state, this one, जो बादलों की शेप में बना हुआ है. दिस इज मेघालय. दिस इज मेघालय and its capital is Shillong. Its capital is Shillong. Again, we are going to remind our eastern part. Let's see. This one is West Bengal, Kolkata. This is Sikkim, Gangtok. This is Meghalaya, Shillong. This is Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. This is Assam, Dispur. Nagaland, Kohima. Manipur, Imphal. This is Mizoram, Aizawl. And this one, Tripura, Agartala. Okay, hope so you have understood about these eastern states, and already we are reminded about all the states and their capitals. Now you will have to learn these very, very carefully. One more thing, dear students, this little part, let's see, this little part is shown there is New Delhi. It is the capital of our India. This is New Delhi, capital of our India. So dear students, there are 28 states and 9 union territories, and I have discussed with you all the states, and you have to revise these states very, very carefully. One more map from history we have also done, that is the Neolithic sites. आपको पता होना चाहिए बेटा, हमने एक मैप ज्योग्राफी में किया था, स्टेट एंड देयर कैपिटल्स, एंड सेकंड मैप है न्यूलिथिक साइट्स जो हमने किया था हिस्ट्री में. द लेसन नंबर 3, द सीड्स ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन. नाउ लेट्स मूव. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं न्यूलिथिक साइट्स की, जो हमने उस लेसन में पढ़ी हैं. आपको सिर्फ उतनी ही शो करनी है. फर्स्ट वन इज बुरजाहोम. तो यहाँ पर है आपकी बुरजाहोम साइट. ओके, लेट्स सी बुरजाहोम. दिस इज बुरजाहोम साइट, एंड यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान के अंदर यहाँ शो हो रहा है. दिस इज योर मेहरगढ़. दिस इज मेहरगढ़. मेहरगढ़. जो इम्पोर्टेंट साइट्स हैं हम वही करेंगे. बुरजाहोम in Jammu and Kashmir, and Mehergarh, it is in Pakistan. And one more important site, that is दाऊजली हेडिंग. तो दाऊजली हेडिंग कहाँ पाई जाती है? यहाँ नियरेस्ट शिलोंग. शिलोंग के पास यहाँ पर पाई जाती है दाऊजली हेडिंग. दाऊजली heading. Only 3 sites you will revise. Is that clear? In your history map, in the previous time, you have done page number 49 in your map mirror skill book, and in this book you have shown a lot of Neolithic sites, but you will revise only 3 that are given in your lesson. 3 important sites. First one is Burjahom, it is in Jammu and Kashmir. Second one Mehergarh, it is found in Pakistan. And third one Daujali Heading, it is found in Meghalaya, you can say Shillong. Is that clear? So dear students, hope so you have understood about these map and all the Neolithic sites. Now you will have to revise it carefully because on Monday there is test of map. So please revise it very carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.